The M-346. How is it very different from a pilot's perspective from earlier generations of advanced jet trainers like the T-38 that you yourself flew on?
Yeah. The M-346 is based upon training requirements which are coming from what is the need, the knowledge that the pilot has to have to fly modern fighters like the F-22 or F-35. So the main requirements is that it should allow the pilot to be in a cockpit where the information is flowing like it is flowing in a modern fighter. So you have lots of information coming from the different sources, like you have an AWACS, you have a ground controller, you have data coming from the data link. So the main thing is this: manage the information in a way that the pilot can manage.
Okay.
The other thing is the envelope. Modern fighters, they have the capability to pull a lot of Gs and very high angle of attacks in a very high thrust-weight ratio environment. This is the M-346 is specially made to respond to this answer, to this question. Sorry, high angle of attack, high level of Gs, high level of thrust. So the pilot is in an environment which is very tough, and in the 346 he can train the best way. That's the main thing.
Okay. For you, flying this aircraft compared to flying the T-80, how is it? I mean, how's the difference in the experience for you?
It's a wonderful aircraft. I mean, the T-38, which was a nice aircraft, we used to have a lot of limitation because of thrust, because of aerodynamics. This aircraft is really, first of all, benign. It's very easy to fly. You have a lot of power, and the flying qualities are nice. This is a fly-by-wire aircraft, so we don't have the hassle we used to have on legacy fighters or trainers. We work in the company to make the flying qualities and the aircraft as a whole the best that you can fly.